In this video, we'll cover how to use Monday.com for customer journey mapping, showing you how to set it up quickly and why it might not be the best solution for everyone. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Monday.com for this purpose, and I'll also share a better alternative with a special extended free trial for you. Let's jump right into it. First things first, Monday.com is a solid platform, and it's great for a variety of project management tasks. When it comes to customer journey mapping, it provides a visual tool that helps you track customer interactions with your brand, so you can optimize those touchpoints. You can map out stages from awareness to consideration, purchase, and beyond using boards and columns. But here's the catch, it's a bit of a learning curve if you're new to customer journey mapping. You have to create custom workflows, and while the drag and drop interface is intuitive, it doesn't have specialized features for customer journey mapping, so you'll need to be creative with your setup. Next thing, Monday.com offers a lot of flexibility, which is great. You can easily create custom columns for customer touchpoints, like email, website visits, social media interactions, or customer support requests. However, where it can fall short is in its reporting features. You'll be able to see high-level progress, but if you're trying to analyze detailed customer behavior over time, it requires extra effort, more clicks, more manual tracking, and you might have to integrate third-party tools. The fourth thing to keep in mind is automation. Monday.com has some automation features that can help streamline the tracking of customer touchpoints, but it's not as advanced or as automated as some other tools specifically designed for mapping out customer journeys. You can set up notifications or move tasks to different boards automatically, but it doesn't have the depth you might want for a truly automated customer journey experience. Let's talk collaboration. Monday.com is great if you need team collaboration within customer journey mapping. You can assign tasks to team members, add notes, attach files, and even leave comments. But again, it's a bit of a compromise. You can use these features, but it doesn't have the same level of integration with marketing platforms like some other tools, meaning you'll need to manually update your journey as you go. Now, the fifth and final thing I want to point out, while Monday.com can do the job, it's not really optimized for customer journey mapping specifically. It's more of a general project management tool, so while it's flexible, it's not designed with customer mapping in mind. This means you'll have to put in some extra work to make it fit your needs. It's also worth noting that it can get pricey if you need the features that make customer journey mapping easier, like advanced reporting or customer behavior tracking. At this point, you might be thinking, is there a better option out there? Well, yes, there are a few alternatives that specialize in customer journey mapping. These alternatives provide built-in features designed to help you understand your customer interactions more intuitively, with less setup and more advanced reporting. The best part? I've got an exclusive extended free trial to one of these alternatives, and it's a much better option for mapping out your customer journey with ease. By clicking the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. And don't worry, I'll include a few other fantastic alternatives, all with free trials, that may be better suited for your goals in customer journey mapping. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, so make sure to check it out. That's it for today. Make sure to hit the link below to get the best deal on these powerful tools that will make your customer journey mapping a breeze.